All right, here we go. I forgot what day of the week this is, but oh, it's Wednesday, March 7th, maybe? I'm not sure. I think it might be the 7th. Anyway, we're getting snow in Effort, PA. It started off about 10 a.m. this morning. It was very, very light. Now it's gotten increasingly heavier. But the temperature's not horrible, so the dog is out here playing around in her pen with her tennis ball, trying to get me to play catch with her, but you can't get anywhere with her. You lean down to grab the ball, she runs away. That's Hannah, our daughter. She just turned 9 years old. Healthy as a horse. It's because we get the dog food from a lovely source. It's they sell it a commercial brand, but it's a small family company. I think it's Fram family or Fromm family. It's down in at the Trifecta Kennel in Gilbert. They sell the dog food. Doesn't have all the sugars and chemicals and crap that they sell in the supermarket that other brands have in the supermarket. Yep. Oh. Hey. There we go. Ready? Oh, the birds. I just fed the birds, so the birds are out eating out of our makeshift bird feeder that's covered from the snow. And it's right around freezing right now. The roads are negotiable, but I wouldn't be out there. I'm going to work from home today on the computer. As long as the internet stays up. We were fortunate we didn't lose, we were fortunate we didn't lose our electric today. Or at all, really. Other people did. The internet's been going on and off, though. So, hey, oh, what? Yes. Oh, let go. Oh, ready? Oh. Ready? Oh, go get it. There we go. Here we go. Oh, I guess that's the end of the excitement for now. That's what the yard looks like. That's the house. Old 200-year-old house under there. There's logs underneath those cedar clapboards. One of these days